Good day everyone, welcome back to Diko Graphics design channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your mockup on your Android smartphone. How you can edit flyer like this, cheese cream flyer. How you can edit it like this. Without wasting much of our time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to my channel. Just follow me as I'm going to show you easy way on how you can mock up your flyer on your Android phone. Without wasting much of our time, just come to your Chrome browser, click on the search bar and type www.photopea.com as you can see. So after you tap that, you see why I circle, that is their website. When you click on it, then you load it. Make sure you have an internet on your phone. After you load it, you see it will brought out this. So click on the file on the left hand side. When you click, the option will pop up, then click on download. When you click on download, it will brought another options. You can now click on download at the beginning, at the bottom of this where I circle. Then go directly to your to where you saved your PSD file, the flyer PSD file. You can actually have already placed the link to download this PSD file on my description. You can actually download it easily and practice what I'm going to show you step by steps. So I'm indirectly looking for the mockup where I save it. So kindly stay tuned and watch. You see, I'm looking for the mockup for the flyer. I'm looking for it. I'm looking for that. You're almost there. Yeah, I've seen it. Then you click on it and you wait for it to load. You have to wait. Good. Wait. Don't forget, I will place the link to download this mockup on my description description of this video, so you can actually download the mockup. Then you extract it to your phone. If you don't know how to use the extraction using said archiver, you can actually check the video on my channel. Where I explain how you can extract the mockup to your phone easily on your Android phone. So as you can see, the mockup has done loading. So now what you are going to do, what you are going to do right now is to click on your lay. As I do say on my old video, click on the lay, the step I normally used. After you click on your lay, the option will pop up. Then what you are going to do, you could be able to see that we have what we call delete this layer, and we have what we call A4 flyer mockup, but they hide it. So since they hide it, what we are going to do right now is to now work with it. You click on the down arrow. So when you click on it, you see the option pop up. Then you click where I circle, place your logo. Actually, you see where I circle again, they hide it. You must hide the top, then you make the second one to be obvious, so that everything you are going to do will not be hidden. Are you getting it? So now that fine. So now it is obvious. So click on where I circle, which is the first one, because we're actually going to place two logo on this mockup. Now after you click that, you see the layer pop up. Then you circle where you click where I circle, so that the logo or the design on that layer will disappear. Then you click on your file after you back. So when you click on your file, right now we are going to place our design here. Then you click on open and place, not open this time around. You see where I circle, so click on open and place. So then click on download. Click on download. So now locate where you have your where you have your PNG design being saved. So look at it. I'm going to check mine in pixelLab. where I used to design this. So that's the first one. So I've clicked on it, and the size is the same thing. The size is rhyme with the mockup I'm going to use, so I don't need to stretch it any longer. You see, everything positioned well. Are you getting it? So now what I'm going to do is to run the mockup. Click on your file where I circle at the left hand corner, then option will pop up, then click on save with smart object this time around. When you click save with smart object, you have to wait for a while for the your design to transform. It's not magic, it has to transform first. Then when it transforms, then you'll be able to see whether you need any adjustment. Smart object updated, fine, we are almost there. So now click on where I circle. That is you are indirectly commanding it to display the transformation at the end of the day, so that you'll be able to see whether the thing is really work. So now it's a work. You see the top one. So now we are going to the bottom one. You see the bottom one. So you double click it, double tap. Another layer will now pop up. So then hide the first one. Hide it. Then you back by clicking lay. Back by clicking lay. So good, you see everything is what is plumb the way we are doing it. So now click on your file again where I circle. Click on your file. Now click on open and place as usual. Click on open and place as usual. Now click on download. Click on the PNG design you made with your pixelLab. Now you have to wait as usual. You see it's way faster. So now after that, then click on your file again, everything position where you no need adjustment. Then click on save with smart object as usual. Don't forget this step. You have to import your mockup first. When you import your mockup first, then you click on layer and you generate what? You make sure that you generate the layer by hide the design on it. So after that, you make sure that the layer is fresh, nothing was on it. So you move ahead to place your logo on top of it or your design. After that, then you click on save with smart object to run it. You see where I circle, I always click it to make the work to be very faster, because when it's done, that is my own target and that is the area where I needed. So that is the area where I needed. So you have to wait for it to transform. You have to wait for it to transform. No, it's not transform. I still need to run it again. So double click as usual. So now just double click where I circle as usual. Then another layer will pop up. Kindly hide it. Then you click on your file. Click on open and place this time around as usual. Then you locate where you have your PNG design being saved. You see, I'm actually uploading import the flyer. Everything is positioned well because I choose the same fluff size with the flyer. With the mockup. Now click on your file and click with save with smart object. Click save with smart object. So after that, you have to wait. Don't forget to remind you again, the mockup I'm using is at the description of this video. Kindly download and practice. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to my channel. And if you are not new, don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload another video like this. So after that, you wait for it to transform. It will be working underground. So you have to wait for a while. Everything is not magic. Now everything is plumb. I need to do another little crazy editing As you can see, I don't really like the way it is. Good, I mark it, it's good, but I need to do another editing. I don't want the background, and the shadow is too deep. I want it to be more lighter, and I want the background to be more change. So now click on the file. You see the background color, BG color, where I circle, double tap it. The center, that color, double tap it. Now it will take you to where they pick that color. So now you have to choose your own color here. So this is the where the real work begin. So you see I've choose white color. Now I'm going to go back to check whether the white color I choose is really blended or fitting to the design, to the mockup. If it is not okay, you see, because I actually use white in my design and it is more obvious, it does not really bring out the beauty of my design. I need to change it to more off-white color. I think that one will be okay. When you are clicking or you click anything, you wait for a while before it will transform. It won't be as fast as you click immediately and to respond to you as a user typing. No, you have to wait a second for it to load and it will bring out your result. So let's continue. Good. Yes, this is okay. This is okay. Now let's look at the background. Look up where you have a linear bond on top of the lock beside opacity. You can actually command your design on how it's going to look like. But I want to check the background first, whether the background can actually be, the shadow can actually be erased. Let's see. I want to hide the background shadow to see whether it's going to, it didn't make sense. So I'm going back to enable the background shadow. Then I will come to my color niller, the color blender, where I'm going to blend it. So it has came back. So this is where I'm talking about. You see it's already in color linear band. So I'm going to choose one by one and see how the result will be. If the result affects the result, then I will choose any of my the one that are really suitable to me. Good. I think this one is somehow lighting, but it change the background automatically. So let's see any other one. So let's see. So you can actually change them one by one there by choosing any options and see how the thing go. It is not really okay yet. So go back. Let me choose add mix. Let's see. So as you can see, you actually be changing. Let's see the add mix and see how it look like. This is awesome. This is okay. So I'm going along with this. This is suit my taste. So that is exactly how you can edit two mockups, same mockup on your Android smartphone without much stress. Exactly. Now click on file and click on export as PNG. Click on export as PNG, then you wait for a while. Wait for a while. So then click on save, then click on download. Now let's see the preview of what we just did. So it's loading. Let's see. Don't forget, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video if you see it helpful, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I update my channel with new video like this. Thanks for watching. God bless you.